Trigonometric equations. What is meant by trigonometric equations? Equations involving with trigonometric functions is called trigonometric equations. Equations involving with trigonometric functions. What it mean? You know algebraic equations. For example, x equal to 1. What is this? It is an equation involving with algebraic variable x. So x equal to 1 is a algebraic equation. X equal to 1 by 2. 2x square plus 1 equal to 0. 2x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. These are algebraic equations with algebraic variable. So whatever I written here, these are all algebraic equations. Trigonometric equations means equations involving with trigonometric functions. For example, x equal to 1 is there. In this equation, in place of x, I'll write the trigonometric function sin x. What is sin x equal to 1? Sin x equal to 1 is a trigonometric equation. You can observe it is an equation involving with trigonometric function. So sin x equal to 1 is a trigonometric equation. Cos x equal to 1 by 2. You can observe it is an equation involving with trigonometric function. So cos x equal to 1 by 2 is a trigonometric equation. 2 into tan square x plus 1 equal to 0. What is this? It is an equation involving with trigonometric functions. So this is a trigonometric equation. 2 sin x plus 4 cos y minus 5 equal to 0. This is also trigonometric equation because it is an equation involving with trigonometric functions. I hope you understand what is meant by trigonometric equation. An equation involving with trigonometric functions is called trigonometric equation. So these are the examples for trigonometric equation. Now we will learn what is the solution of a trigonometric equation. Solution of a trigonometric equations. What is meant by solution of a trigonometric equation? There is one difference between algebraic equation and trigonometric equation. Algebraic equations contains finite number of solutions. Trigonometric equations contains infinite number of solutions. I'll explain this with an example. You observe the equation x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. This is an algebraic equation. If I split the middle term, what are the solutions for this? I'll get x equal to 2, x equal to 3 are the solutions of this equation. X equal to 2, x equal to 3 are two solutions. As it is a quadratic equation, it contains two solutions. That means finite number of solutions. I'll take one more linear equation. 2x plus 1 equal to 0. It is a linear equation. It contains only one solution. What is that solution? X equal to minus 1 by 2. As it is a linear equation, it contains one solution. Here I want to say that algebraic equations will have finite number of solutions, whereas trigonometric equations will have infinite number of solutions. I'll try to explain this with an example. Sin x equal to 1 by 2. What is this? It is a trigonometric equation. Sin x equal to 1 by 2 is a trigonometric equation. What are the solutions of this trigonometric equations? From the trigonometry values table, we learned that sin x is 1 by 2 when x equal to 30 degrees. 30 degrees means pi by 6. Sin 30 degrees value is 1 by 2. So x equal to 30 degrees, or in radians we can write it as pi by 6. X equal to pi by 6 is a solution of trigonometric equation sin x equal to 1 by 2. So in place of x, if I write pi by 6 in the trigonometric equation sin x equal to 1 by 2, it satisfies. So pi by 6 is a solution of trigonometric equation sin x equal to 1 by 2. We know that sin x is positive in first quadrant as well as second quadrant. So we can find one more x value such that sin x is 1 by 2 in the second quadrant. So second quadrant, how to find that x value which satisfies this trigonometric equation and lies in second quadrant? We know that pi minus theta lies in second quadrant. Pi minus pi by 6. If I calculate sine of pi minus pi by 6, I'll get 1 by 2 only. If you want, you just check sine of pi minus pi by 6. When pi is there, trigonometric function remains same. Sine remains sine only. So I'll write sine pi by 6 first. Now pi by 6 minus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine is positive. So sine pi minus pi by 6 is plus sine pi by 6. Okay, sine pi by 6 means sine 30 degrees na. So 1 by 2. So what you got, pi minus pi by 6 is a solution of the trigonometric equation sine x equal to 1 by 2. Like that, now I got a solution in first quadrant as well as second quadrant. Similarly, I'll get the solution in fifth quadrant also. Fifth quadrant means it is nothing but first quadrant. You observe first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant, fifth quadrant. Fifth quadrant is nothing but first quadrant only. We know that 2 pi plus theta lies in first quadrant. 2 pi plus theta. So 2 pi plus theta lies in first quadrant. If I calculate sine of 2 pi plus pi by 6, then again I'll get 1 by 2. Therefore, 2 pi plus pi by 6 is a solution of given trigonometric equation. Similarly, I'll get this x value in sixth quadrant. That is nothing but, you observe, second quadrant, right? So this is nothing but pi, 2 pi, 3 pi minus theta. 3 pi minus theta lies in second quadrant. So if I calculate sine of 3 pi minus pi by 6, I'll get 1 by 2 only. Therefore, 3 pi minus pi by 6 is a solution of given trigonometric equation. Like this, infinitely many solutions we will get. Sine x equal to 1 by 2 contains infinitely many solutions. These are all solutions of trigonometric equation. Now, I'll simplify this little bit. X equal to pi by 6, comma, pi minus pi by 6 is what? Pi minus pi by 6 is 5 pi by 6. So 5 pi by 6 is a solution of given trigonometric equation sin x equal to 1 by 2. You simplify this, what you will get? 12 pi plus pi, 13 pi by 6. 13 pi by 6 is a solution of given trigonometric equation. So you will get 17 pi by 6. Like that, for one trigonometric equation, here we will get infinitely many solutions. Now we will learn what is principal solution of a given trigonometric equation. Principal solution of a trigonometric equations. What is meant by principal solution of a trigonometric equations? The real values which lies in this interval, closed interval 0, 2 pi. See, the interval closed 0, open 2 pi. 2 pi is not included in this interval. The real values which lies in this interval satisfying given trigonometric equation are called principal solutions of trigonometric equations. The values which lies in this interval and satisfying the trigonometric equations are called principal solutions of the trigonometric equation. I'll try to explain this with an example. You observe here, sin x equal to 1 by 2 is the equation. For this, we know these are the solutions that we discussed just now, right? So I'll take the same example. You take the equation sin x equal to 1 by 2. What are the solutions of this equation? You observe, for the equation sin x equal to 1 by 2, the solutions are pi by 6, 5 pi by 6, 13 pi by 6, 17 pi by 6 and so on. Now in this, what values lies in this interval satisfying this equation? You take pi by 6. Pi by 6 is 30 degrees. 30 degrees satisfying this equation, and this 30 degrees lies in this interval? Yes, 30 degrees is there in between 0 and 360 degrees. 30 degrees are there in this interval and satisfying the given trigonometric equation. Okay, so 30 degrees is the principal solution of given trigonometric equation. Now you see 5 pi by 6. Pi by 6 is 30. 5 into 30 is 150. Is 150 degrees is present in this interval? Yes, 150 degrees is there in between 0 and 360 degrees, and 150 degrees is the solution of this trigonometric equation. So 150 degrees is in this interval and satisfying this trigonometric equation. So 150 degrees is the principal solution. You observe 13 pi by 6. Pi by 6 means 30. 30 into 13 is 390. 390 is not in this interval. 390 is not in between 0 and 360. Correct? So 390 is just a solution. 390 degrees is not a principal solution. So 390 degrees is not a principal solution. 390 degrees is just a solution. So 13 pi by 6 is not a principal solution because it is not in this interval. Close at 0, open 2 pi. Okay. So what are the principal solutions of the trigonometric equation sin x equal to 1 by 2? Pi by 6, 5 pi by 6. These are the values which are present in this interval and satisfying the trigonometric equation sin x equal to 1 by 2. That's why principal solution for sin x equal to 1 by 2 are, principal solution of sin x equal to 1 by 2 are pi by 6, 5 pi by 6. I hope you understand how to find principal solution of a given trigonometric equation. While doing exercise problems, you will get more clarity about how to calculate principal solution of a given trigonometric equation. I hope you understand this class. This is first result in trigonometric equations. You observe general solution for sin x equal to 0 is n pi. This is very important. We use it very frequently. General solution for sin x equal to 0 is n pi. Here what is n? N is an integer. Why general solution for sin x equal to 0 is n pi? We will discuss that. First, I'll take the trigonometric equation sin x equal to 0. You observe I considered the trigonometric equation sin x equal to 0. For what values of x sin x is 0? You observe here, I written trigonometry table. What is sine 0 degrees? Sine 0 degrees is 0. You observe sine pi. What is sine pi value? Sine pi value is 0. What is sine 2 pi? Sine 2 pi value is also 0. From this, we can understand that 0 radians, pi radians, 2 pi radians are the solutions of this trigonometric equation sin x equal to 0. Whenever sin x equal to 0, what is x? X is 0, pi, 2 pi, sin 3 pi is also 0. Not only 3 pi, sin 4 pi also 0, and so on like this. Whatever we got here, these are all the solutions of sin x equal to 0. In case if you have doubt, then you can check. For example, if you want to calculate sin 10 pi, what is sin 10 pi value? This 10 pi can be written as 9 pi plus pi. Okay. Now you observe here, as 9 pi is there, function remains same. So this is sin pi. 9 pi plus pi. Odd number into pi plus theta lies in which quadrant? Odd number into pi plus theta lies in third quadrant. In third quadrant, sign is negative. So sin of 9 pi plus pi can be written as minus sin pi. That equal to minus, what is sin pi value? Observe the trigonometry table. Sin pi value is 0. So minus 0. Minus 0 is nothing but minus 1 into 0, which is same as 0. See here, sin 10 pi value, what we got? 0. So here 10 pi is a solution of this trigonometric equation. Yes. What is sin 100 pi value? Sin 100 pi value is 0. What is sin 45 pi value? Sin 45 pi value is 0. Not only that, sin of minus pi. For example, if you try to calculate sin of minus pi, sin of minus theta formula is minus sin theta. Sin of minus pi is minus sin pi. That equal to minus sin pi. From the trigonometric table, you can identify that sin pi value is 0. Minus 0 is same as 0. So here what I am trying to say, pi is a solution of this trigonometric equation. At the same time, minus pi is also. So plus pi is a solution of this trigonometric equation. Minus pi is also solution of this trigonometric equation. Not only that, 2 pi is a solution of this trigonometric equation. Minus 2 pi, sin of minus 2 pi is also 0. So like that, these are all the solutions of trigonometric equation sin x equal to 0. All these are solutions of the trigonometric equation sin x equal to 0. Now you observe, I written all the solutions for sin x equal to 0. What we written here, general solution is n pi. Generalize, instead of writing all these things every time, generalize, you can observe these are all of the form n pi. N is integer. Integers means, you know what are integers? Integers are 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, and so on. You can observe here plus or minus 1 is there, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 4, and so on. So here x can be written as n pi. So what is n? N is an integer. From now onwards, we will memorize this result. We use it very frequently. General solution for sin x equal to 0 is n pi. I hope you understand why general solution for sin x equal to 0 is n pi. Now, second result in this trigonometric equations. General solution for trigonometric equation cos x equal to 0 is 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. In this, whatever n we used, that n is an integer. Generally, 2n plus 1 represents odd number. So, general solution for cos x equal to 0 is odd number into pi by 2. So, we are going to use this result very frequently from now onwards. General solution for cos x equal to 0 is odd multiple of pi by 2. Now, we will try to understand why general solution for cos x equal to 0 is odd multiple of pi by 2. Consider the given trigonometric equation cos x equal to 0. For what values of x cos x is 0? You observe the trigonometry table for what values of cos x is 0. For what values of x cos x is 0. You can observe here cos pi by 2 value is 0, cos 3 pi by 2 value is 0. So here, what are the solutions of this equation? X is pi by 2, that means cos pi by 2 value is 0. Not only cos pi by 2, cos of 3 pi by 2 is also 0. These things we can understood easily from this trigonometry table. Not only 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2. After this, 7 pi by 2. After this, 9 pi by 2. Like that, we will get infinitely many solutions for this trigonometric equation. For example, if you want to check what is cos of 9 pi by 2, cos of 9 pi by 2 is clearly 0. If you want, you can check cos of 9 pi by 2. Here, 9 pi by 2 can be written like this. Pi by 2. You know how to write the trick here. I want to get 9 pi by 2. So what I'll do here, I'll write 5. Okay. If I write 5 here, what you will get? You will get 10 pi plus pi, 11 pi by 2. So here minus is the suitable symbol. You observe now 10 pi minus pi. That is 9 pi divided by 2. So this equal to, as 5 pi is there, function remains same. So this is cos pi by 2. As odd number into pi minus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos is negative. So here cos 5 pi minus pi by 2 is minus cos pi by 2. From the trigonometry table, we know that cos pi by 2 value is 0. So minus 0 is nothing but 0. So what is cos of 9 pi by 2? Cos of 9 pi by 2 is 0. Not only this, what is cos of 31 pi divided by 2? That is also 0. From now onwards, whenever you see cos of odd number into pi by 2, then its answer will be 0. I hope you are understanding what I am trying to say. Here, you know that cos of pi by 2 is 0. What is cos of minus pi by 2? Cos of minus pi by 2. We know that cos of minus x is nothing but cos x. So, cos of minus pi by 2 is cos pi by 2. So, what is cos pi by 2 value? Cos pi by 2 value is 0. So, cos of minus pi by 2 is 0. So, pi by 2 is solution of this trigonometric equation. Not only this, minus pi by 2 is also solution of this trigonometric equation. So, I'll write here plus or minus, plus or minus, plus or minus. So, plus 9 pi by 2 minus 9 pi by 2 also solution of trigonometric equation cos x equal to 0. If you observe the pattern, this is 1 into pi by 2, this is 3 into pi by 2, this is 5 into pi by 2, this is 7 into pi by 2, this is 9 into pi by 2. General idea is odd number into pi by 2, odd number into pi by 2. So, as they are asking general solution, if we generalize all these solutions, this is odd number into pi by 2. In general, odd number is denoted by 2n plus 1, right? Odd number into pi by 2. In this formula, what is n? N is an integer. So, whenever cos x equal to 0, what is x? X is odd multiple of pi by 2. So, from now onwards, you need to memorize this as a formula. General solution for cos x equal to 0 is odd multiple of pi by 2. You please observe this. General solution for tan x equal to 0. General solution for tan x equal to 0 is n pi. Actually, general solution for sin x equal to 0 is also n pi. Here, general solution of tan x equal to 0 is n pi, where n is an integer. We will check why general solution of tan x equal to 0 is n pi. First, I will take given trigonometric equation. What is given trigonometric equation? Tan x equal to 0. Here, before proceeding further, I know that tan x can be written as sin x divided by cos x. sin x divided by cos x equal to 0. Here you can observe whenever sin x is 0, at that time this tan x will become 0. You observe the trigonometry table. In this sine row, wherever 0 is there, tan row is also at that point 0 is there. So from this we can easily understand that whenever sin x is 0, at that time tan x is also 0. I hope you got this point. So what are the solutions of this trigonometric equation? Very simple. 0, like 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, and so on. What all these are? These are the solutions of trigonometric equation tan x equal to 0. Pi is a solution of this trigonometric equation. Not only pi, minus pi is also solution of the trigonometric equation tan x equal to 0. So what is, you observe 1 into pi, 2 into pi, 3 into pi, 4 into pi. By seeing all these solutions, you generalize what is the general solution. General solution is n pi, where n is an integer. From now onwards, we will use this as a formula. General solution for tan x equal to 0 is n pi. I hope you understand. See, three things we learned. General solution for sin x equal to 0 is n pi. General solution for cos x equal to 0 is odd multiple of pi by 2. General solution of tan x equal to 0 is n pi. You can observe in all these three results, sin x equal to 0, cos x equal to 0, tan x equal to 0 is there. In case if 0 is not there, sin x equal to k, cos x equal to k, tan x equal to k is there, then what are the general solutions? Those things we are going to learn now. This is fourth result in trigonometric equations. General solution for sin x equal to k is n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha. Here general solution for sin x equal to k. In first result, we learned general solution for sin x equal to 0 is n pi. In place of k, here 0 is there at that time. General solution for sin x equal to 0 is n pi. Here, general solution for sin x equal to k. What is k? We know the range of sine function. Range of sine function is closed interval minus 1 comma 1. So k must be in this interval only. Then only sin x is defined. The general solution of trigonometric equation sin x equal to k is n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha. N pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha, where n is an integer. You can see in this formula alpha is there. What is alpha in this formula? Observe, alpha is the principal solution for the equation sin x equal to k. What is principal solution of a trigonometric equation? In last class, we learned the value of x which lies in this interval. The interval closed 0, open 2 pi. The value which lies in this interval and satisfying the trigonometric equation is called principal solution of the trigonometric equation. Here, y, general solution of the trigonometric equation sin x equal to k is n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha. Why? So, we will derive this result. Okay. First, I will take given trigonometric equation. Given trigonometric equation is sin x equal to k. Look here, sin x equal to k is the given trigonometric equation. K can be written as sin alpha. For example, you take sin x equal to 1 by 2. This is the trigonometric equation which is of the form sin x equal to k, right? For this trigonometric equation, what is the principal solution? We know that sin 30 degrees value is 1 by 2. So, 30 degrees is the principal solution for this trigonometric equation. 30 degrees lies in this interval and satisfying this trigonometric equation. So, here this k is there. Na? This k can be written as sin 30 degrees. Please try to understand. So, what I can write here, this is the given trigonometric equation. For this trigonometric equation, there exists a principal solution. You observe, there exists a principal solution alpha such that this k can be written as sine alpha. Please observe carefully. There exists a principal solution alpha such that this k can be written as sine alpha. Now, what is the given trigonometric equation? Sin x equal to k. You take sin x equal to k. Now, what we came to know that there exists alpha such that k can be written as sine alpha. So, in k is equal to sine alpha. So, I will write that k equal to sine alpha. Now, you observe sin x equal to sine alpha. We can write from this. Yes, sin x equal to sine alpha. Now, you take sine alpha to the left hand side. Then what you will get? You will get that sin x minus sine alpha equal to 0. It looks like sin c minus sin d. You observe this is of the form sin c minus sin d. So, what is the formula for sin c minus sin d? The formula for sin c minus sin d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. So, this formula I'll apply here. So, sin c minus sin d. The formula is 2 cos c plus d by 2. C plus d, that is x plus alpha by 2, into sin c minus d by 2, that is x minus alpha divided by 2 equal to 0. You observe this 2 is there now. I'll take it to the right hand side part. 0 divided by 2 is 0. So, as I taken 2 to the right hand side part, 0 divided by 2 is 0. So, what I'll get here? Cos of x plus alpha by 2 into sin of x minus alpha by 2 equal to 0. You observe product of two things equal to 0 is there. Product of two things are 0 is possible. Either any one of them must be equal to 0. So, what I'll write? I'll write either this equal to 0 or this equal to 0. Then only their product will become 0. Cos of x plus alpha divided by 2 equal to 0, or sin of x minus alpha divided by 2 equal to 0. You look here, cos x equal to 0 form. We learn general solution for cos x equal to 0. Result number 2. General solution for cos x equal to 0 is what? General solution for cos x equal to 0 is 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Whenever cos x equal to 0, x equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Here, this is x. Please observe, this is x. It is like cos x equal to 0. When cos x equal to 0, x can be written as 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. In place of x, here x plus alpha divided by 2 is there. X plus alpha by 2 equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. We know that general solution for cos x equal to 0 is odd multiple of pi by 2. Or you can observe it looks like sin x equal to 0. General solution for sin x equal to 0 is n pi. So what I can write here? I can write x minus alpha divided by 2 is n pi. I hope you are understanding. Actually, I am trying to find the general solution for sin x equal to k. So I need x from this. You can observe this 2 will get cancel. Cancel them. What is x from this? X is 2n plus 1 into pi. Here alpha is there. Na? This alpha, you take it to the right hand side part. This plus alpha will become minus alpha. Or from this, I want to write what is x. You just take 2 to the right hand side part. What you will get? X equal to 2n pi. This minus alpha is there. Na? Minus alpha will become plus alpha. 2n pi plus alpha. So here this is the general solution for sin x equal to k. But the point is, you observe here, they given general solution like this, n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha. But we got like this. So you need to generalize and you need to write the answer. You observe few things. Here into pi is there. Here also alpha is there. Only difference is whenever odd number is there, here minus sign comes. Here whenever even number is there, plus sign comes. So by observing these two things, I want to write one general form. What is the general form? X equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha. Here what is n? N is an integer. When n is an integer, it may be even integer or it may be odd integer. You suppose n is odd. You suppose that n is odd. Look here, odd number into pi. When odd number is there, we must get minus. When n is odd, minus 1 whole power odd number is what? Minus 1 whole cube is what? That is minus 1. So plus of minus is minus. When n is odd, then what you are getting? Odd number into pi minus alpha. Look here, when n is odd number into pi minus alpha. If I write the solution like this, whenever n is odd, at that time I am getting this. Okay. You suppose n is even. N is even. When n is even, here plus sign is there. Suppose minus 1 whole power 4 is there. As the power is even number, minus 1 whole power 4 is 1. So here, what I can say, even number into pi, this is plus of plus, that is plus only. Even number into pi plus alpha. Look here, even number into pi plus alpha. I hope you understand. What is this? This is the general solution for the given trigonometric equation sin x equal to k. So we proved that general solution for sin x equal to k is n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha. From now onwards, we will use it as a formula. You need to remember that general solution for sin x equal to k is n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha. This is fifth result in trigonometric equations. General solution for cos x equal to 0 is 2n pi plus or minus alpha. In this, alpha is principal solution for cos x equal to k, and here k is there. Range of cos function is closed interval minus 1 comma 1. That's why k belongs to this interval. So this we use as a formula from now onwards. General solution for cos x equal to k is 2n pi plus or minus alpha. I am going to derive this result. Why? General solution for cos x equal to k is 2n pi plus or minus alpha. First, you take given trigonometric equation cos x equal to k. You observe here, there exists a principal solution alpha such that k can be written as cos alpha. For example, if I write cos x equal to 1 by 2, what is the principal solution for this trigonometric equation? We know that cos 60 degrees is 1 by 2. So 60 degrees lies in closed interval 0 comma 2 pi and satisfies this trigonometric equation. So here 1 by 2 can be written as cos 60 degrees. 60 degrees means pi by 3. You observe here, k can be written as cos alpha, where alpha is the principal solution. That is what I written. If there is a trigonometric equation cos x equal to k, there exists a principal solution alpha such that k can be written as cos alpha. Now, given trigonometric equation is cos x equal to k. You take cos x equal to k. Now, you observe here, k can be written as cos alpha. So, I'll write k as cos alpha. From this, I can write cos x equal to cos alpha. You write cos x equal to cos alpha. Now, here cos alpha is there. You take it to the left hand side part. Then what you will get? You will get that cos x minus cos alpha equal to 0. This looks like cos c minus cos d. What is the formula for cos c? Cos c minus cos d. The formula for cos c minus cos d is minus 2 sine c plus d by 2 into sine c minus d divided by 2. I'll apply this formula to this. Cos c minus cos d is minus 2 sine c plus d by 2, that is x plus alpha divided by 2 into sine c minus d divided by 2, that is x minus alpha divided by 2 equal to 0. Now here minus 2 is there. You take minus 2 to the right hand side part. 0 divided by minus 2 is 0. Then what you will get? Then 2 into sine of x plus alpha by 2 into sine of x minus alpha by 2 equal to 0. Here you can observe that product of two things equal to 0. Product of two things equal to 0 means either any one of them must be equal to 0. So I'll write like this. Sine of x plus alpha divided by 2 equal to 0 or sine of x minus alpha divided by 2 equal to 0. You observe in first result it looks like sin x equal to 0. General solution for sin x equal to 0 is what? General solution for sin x equal to 0 is n pi. That means whenever sin x equal to 0, then x can be written as n pi. Here sine of x plus alpha by 2 equal to 0 na. So here x plus alpha by 2 can be written as n pi. I'll write here x plus alpha divided by 2 equal to n pi. Okay. You observe this one. This is also of same form, sin x equal to 0. When sin x equal to 0, we can write x equal to n pi. General solution of sin x equal to 0. So here what I can write? I can write x minus alpha divided by 2 equal to 0. I want x from this equation. What is x from this? You just take this 2 to the right hand side part. You will get that x plus alpha equal to 2n pi. What is x from this? X is 2n pi minus alpha. And from this you try to write. You please observe here sin x. You please observe here sin x equal to 0 means x equal to n pi. So x minus alpha divided by 2 equal to n pi. From this what is x? X is 2n pi plus alpha. It can be understood easily. X equal to 2n pi plus alpha. You look here, x equal to 2n pi plus alpha or x equal to 2n pi minus alpha. This is the general solution for given trigonometric equation cos x equal to k. Simply this can be written like this, x equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. In this formula, n is an integer and alpha is the principal solution for cos x equal to k. So from now onwards, we use this as a formula. You need to memorize this result. General solution for cos x equal to k is 2n pi plus or minus alpha. I hope you understand this result. You observe this is the sixth result in this trigonometric equation. General solution for tan x equal to k is n pi plus alpha, where n is an integer and alpha is the principal solution for tan x equal to k. Now I am going to derive this result. First you take given trigonometric equation tan x equal to k. If tan x equal to k, then there exists a principal solution alpha such that k can be written as tan alpha like earlier result. You observe what I written? There exists a principal solution alpha such that k can be written as tan alpha. So what they given tan x equal to k. What we came to know that? We came to know that k can be written as tan alpha. So tan x equal to k, k equal to tan alpha. Now from this we can write that tan x equal to tan alpha. Okay, tan x equal to tan alpha. Now we don't have any formula for tan c minus tan d. So we cannot use this formula here like earlier problems. Here what I'll do, this tan x is there na? This tan x I'll write it as sin x divided by cos x equal to tan alpha is there na? That can be written as sin alpha divided by cos alpha. Now you cross multiply, what you will get? Sin x into cos alpha equal to cos x into sin alpha you will get. Now this sin x into cos x into sin alpha, this cos x into sin alpha is there na? You take it to left hand side part, what you will get? You will get like this, sin x into cos alpha minus cos x into sin alpha equal to 0. You observe this, this is like sin x minus y result, sin of x minus y. What is sin of x minus y? Sin of x minus y is sin x into cos y minus cos x into sin y. I hope you are understanding. So here sin x into cos y minus cos x into sin y. Whatever we got here, this can be written as sin of x minus alpha. Sin of x minus alpha equal to 0. This is like sin x equal to 0. Whenever sin x equal to 0, then general solution of sin x equal to 0 is n pi. That means whenever sin x equal to 0, we can write x equal to n pi. So here this is like this sin x equal to 0 form only. So what I can write? I can write that x minus alpha equal to n pi. From this what is x? X is n pi plus alpha. So I got that general solution for tan x equal to k is n pi plus alpha. From now onwards we will use this as a formula. General solution for tan x equal to k is n pi plus alpha. I hope you understand this result. Exercise number 3.4 solutions. You can observe in this exercise total 9 problems are there. To understand these 9 problems, we learn 6 formulas. What are those 6 formulas? You observe general solution for sin x equal to 0 is n pi. This is first formula. General solution for cos x equal to 0 is odd multiple of pi by 2. 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. You need to memorize these results. Third result. General solution for tan x equal to 0 is n pi. Fourth result. General solution for sin x equal to k is n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha. Sixth result. General solution for cos x equal to k is 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Last result. General solution for tan x equal to k is n pi plus alpha. In last class, we discussed all these formulas. You need to memorize all those formulas to be good to do these problems very easily. Now, let's start the solution for first problem. You observe the question. Find the principal solution and general solution of following equations. Here, they given tan x equal to root 3. We need to find principal and general solution for this trigonometric equation tan x equal to root 3. You observe here tan x is positive or negative. They given tan x as positive answer. We know that tan x is positive in first quadrant as well as in third quadrant. However, finding one x value is very easy. What is principal solution? The value which lies in this interval, the interval closed 0, open 2 pi. The value which lies in this interval and satisfying the trigonometric equation are known as principal solution. Here, tan 60 degrees value is root 3 that we can understood easily from the trigonometry table. Here, there is no problem to find this. 60 degrees. 60 degrees is nothing but pi by 3. So, pi by 3 lies in this interval and tan pi by 3 is root 3. So, pi by 3 is the one principal solution. Similarly, you can find another principal solution in third quadrant because tan x is positive in first quadrant as well as in third quadrant. You see, 60 degrees lies in first quadrant. To find the value which lies in third quadrant, you observe here in third quadrant pi plus theta is there. Pi plus theta is there in third quadrant and in third quadrant tan theta is positive. So obviously pi plus, look here, what is there here? Pi by 3 is there. Pi plus pi by 3. Definitely tan of pi plus pi by 3 will be root 3 only. If you want, you can check. Tan of pi plus pi by 3 is root 3 only. So here pi plus pi by 3, 180 plus 60, 240 degrees lies in third quadrant only. So here what I am trying to say, x equal to pi by 3, comma 3 pi plus pi, 4 pi by 3, pi by 3, 4 pi by 3. These two things lies in this interval and satisfying this trigonometric equation. Therefore, principal solutions are pi by 3, comma 4 pi by 3. So, we calculated principal solution for given trigonometric equation. Now, we need to find general solution. You observe, this is of the form general solution for tan x equal to k. Sixth result, general solution for tan x equal to k is what? You observe, general solution for tan x equal to k is n pi plus alpha, where alpha is the principal solution for tan x equal to k. So here, general solution for tan x equal to k is, here general solution for tan x equal to root 3 is n pi plus alpha. In that formula, what is alpha? Alpha is the principal solution. Here, you have two principal solutions. Now, you can write any one. Generally, we will prefer the first one. So, what you will write here? Alpha is pi by 3. So, general solution for tan x equal to root 3 is n pi plus pi by 3. In this, what is n? N is an integer. So, for this problem, they are asking to find principal solution, general solution. This is the principal solution and this is the general solution. Find the principal and general solutions of the following equations. You observe secant x equal to 2 is the given trigonometric equation. If you observe whatever the 6 formulas we learned, all the formulas are in terms of sine, cos, tan only. In this exercise, whatever the formulas we learned, all the formulas are in terms of sine, cos, tan only. It is not in terms of secant x. No problem. If they given in terms of secant x, we will convert in terms of cos by using reciprocal formulas. Here, they given secant x equal to 2 now. From this, we can write cos x. What is cos x? Secant x can be written as 1 by cos x. 1 by cos x equal to 2. From this, what is cos x? You cross multiply, you will get that cos x equal to 1 by 2. So, secant x equal to 2 is same as cos x equal to 1 by 2. Now, I will find principal solution for this trigonometric equation cos x equal to 1 by 2. Okay, cos x, you observe here, they given positive answer or negative answer. Cos x is positive. Cos x is positive in which quadrant? Cos x is positive in first quadrant. Cos x is positive in fourth quadrant. You see here 2 pi minus theta lies in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos x is positive. So here the point is, from trigonometry table you can easily say that cos 60 degree value is 1 by 2. 60 degrees means pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 value is 1 by 2. So pi by 3 is a solution of this trigonometric equation, and pi by 3 lies in this interval. The interval closed 0, open 2 pi. So pi by 3 lies in this interval and it is satisfying this trigonometric equation. So pi by 3 is the principal solution. We know that cos x is positive in fourth quadrant. Look here, 2 pi minus theta lies in fourth quadrant. 100% 2 pi minus pi by 3 is the other solution. If you calculate cos of 2 pi minus pi by 3, 100% you will get 1 by 2 only. If you want, you can check. And 2 pi means 360 degrees. Pi by 3 means 60 degrees. 360 degrees minus 60 degrees is 300 degrees. 300 degrees definitely lies in this interval. So what you will get here, x equal to pi by 3 comma, you simplify this, what you will get, 6 pi minus pi, that is 5 pi by 3. What are these? These are the principal solutions. These are the principal solutions of trigonometric equation secant x equal to 2. Therefore, the principal solutions are pi by 3 comma 5 pi by 6. Okay, now we need to find general solution of this trigonometric equation. This equation is nothing but this only. This is of which form? This is of the form cos x equal to k. What is the general solution for cos x equal to k? General solution for cos x equal to k is 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Here alpha is the principal solution for cos x equal to k. We learn this formula. General solution for cos x equal to k is 2n pi plus or minus alpha. General solution is 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Alpha is the principal solution. In place of alpha, you can write pi by 3 or 5 pi by 3. Generally, we will prefer first one. So 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3. So we learned we calculated what is principal solution of given trigonometric equation and what is the general solution for given trigonometric equation. Therefore, the principal solutions are pi by 3 comma 5 pi by 3 and general solution is 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3. I hope you understand this solution. Now we will move to next problem. Find the principal and general solution of this trigonometric equation. You observe this function is in terms of cot, but whatever the formulas we learned in this exercise, they all are in terms of sine, cos, tan. In case if the given trigonometric equation is in terms of cot, we can convert it in terms of tan by using reciprocal formulas. So here cot x they given cot x can be written as 1 by tan x. 1 by tan x equal to minus root 3. From this, what is tan x? Tan x equal to minus 1 divided by root 3. You can observe one thing here. Tan x is negative. Tan x is negative in which quadrants? Tan x is negative in second quadrant as well as fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, third quadrant, tan x is positive. Here, tan x is negative they given. Tan x is negative means that values we will find in second quadrant and in fourth quadrant. Please keep this point in your mind. Okay, second quadrant. As tan x is negative, x value lies in second quadrant. You observe here, I always prefer pi instead of pi by 2. Pi minus theta. Pi minus theta. Pi minus theta. Here, I'll choose theta in such a way that for what value of theta, tan theta is 1 by root 3. When tan theta is 1 by root 3, tan 30 degrees is 1 by root 3. 30 degrees means pi by 6. So here what I'll prefer, pi minus theta is there na. In place of theta, I'll write pi by 6 because I know tan pi by 6 is 1 by root 3. If you calculate tan of pi minus pi by 6, if you calculate tan of pi minus pi by 6, 100% you will get minus 1 by root 3 only, and pi minus pi by 6 definitely lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, tan x is negative. Now we know that as they given tan x is negative, one x value we will find in second quadrant, one x value we will find in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, you observe here 2 pi minus theta is there. 2 pi minus theta. So what I will get here? 2 pi minus pi by 6. These are the values definitely satisfies this trigonometric equations. If you want, you can check. Little bit of simplification I will do. Pi minus pi by 6, that is 5 pi by 6, comma 12 pi minus pi, that is 11 pi by 6. What are these? These are the principal solutions of given trigonometric equation. Principal solutions are 5 pi by 6, comma 11 pi by 6. Now I'll write general solution. General solution for tan x equal to k is n pi plus alpha. General solution for tan x equal to k is n pi plus alpha. Here n pi plus alpha. In this, alpha is the principal solution. Here we got two principal solutions. Generally we will pick the first one. So you can write 11 pi by 6 also. So here n pi plus 5 pi by 6. n pi plus 5 pi by 6. This is the general solution for given trigonometric equation. Find principal and general solutions of the following equations. They given here cosecant x equal to minus 2. As the given trigonometric equation in terms of cosecant x, we will convert this in terms of sine, because whatever the formulas we learned in this exercise, all those formulas are in terms of sine, cos, tan. As they given in terms of cosecant, by using reciprocal formulas, we can convert in terms of sine. Cosecant x reciprocal is 1 by sine. So cosecant x can be written as 1 by sine x. From this, what is sine x? Sine x equal to minus 1 divided by 2. You observe here sine x is negative. Sine x is negative in which quadrants? Sine x is negative in third quadrant as well as fourth quadrant. So the x values we will find in third quadrant and fourth quadrant. I always prefer which is having pi. Pi plus theta, 2 pi minus theta. I will prefer to find x values here. Okay. What are the x values? Pi plus theta. Pi plus theta lies in third quadrant. In third quadrant, sin x is negative. So pi plus theta. What value of theta? Sin theta is 1 by 2. For what value of theta? Sin theta is 1 by 2. Sin 30 degrees. 30 degrees means pi by 6. So pi plus pi by 6. Here pi plus theta is there na. In place of theta, I will prefer pi by 6. That is what I am saying. We know that in fourth quadrant, sin is negative. 2 pi minus theta lies in fourth quadrant. So to find that, just simply write 2 pi minus pi by 6. If you want, you just calculate sine of 2 pi minus pi by 6. You will get minus 1 by 2 only. Simplify this. 6 pi plus pi, that is 7 pi by 6, comma 12 pi minus pi, that is 11 pi by 6. What are these? These are the values which lies in this interval. The interval closed 0 open 2 pi, and these are the values lies in this interval and satisfies this trigonometric equation. So that's why these are the principal solutions of given trigonometric equation. Therefore, principal solutions of given trigonometric equation are 7 pi by 6, comma 11 pi by 6. General solution is, you observe, this is of the form sin x equal to k na. General solution for sin x equal to k formula is what? We learned in the theory part. General solution for sin x equal to k is n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha. In this, what is alpha? Alpha is the principal solution. Here you got two principal solutions. You can write any one. In place of alpha, here I'll write 7 pi by 6. So this is the principal solution. This is the principal solution. This is the general solution for given trigonometric equation. I hope you understand this solution. Find general solution of each of the following equations. You observe, this is the question. Here, don't try to prove that LHS equal to RHS. Whenever we will find solutions, we will use complete trigonometric equation. Okay, so to solve this, first I'll take given trigonometric equation. What they given? They given that cos 4x equal to cos 2x. What they are asking us? They are asking us to find the general solution of this trigonometric equation. What I'll do, first I'll take cos 2x to the left hand side part. Then what I'll get, cos 4x minus cos 2x equal to 0. It looks like cos C minus cos D. We know this formula. What is the formula for cos C minus cos D? The formula for cos C minus cos D is minus 2 sine C plus D divided by 2 into sine C minus D divided by 2. So here, if I apply this formula to this, then what I'll get? I'll get like this. Minus 2 sine C plus D by 2. What is C here? 4x. What is D here? 2x. C plus D by 2 into sine C minus D by 2. C minus D divided by 2. Okay. Minus 2 sine C plus D by 2 into sine C minus D by 2. Now here this minus 2 is there. Na? You take minus 2 to the right hand side part. 0 divided by minus 2 is 0. Then you will get like this. Okay. Now you observe here 4x plus 2x is there. Na? 4x plus 2x is what? 6x. 6x divided by 2 is what? 6x divided by 2 is 3x. Sine 3x into sine 4x minus 2x is 2x. 2x divided by 2 is x. So sine 3x into sine x equal to 0. You observe here product of two things are there. Product of two things is 0 means any one must be equal to 0. So what I can write here? I can write that sine 3x equal to 0 or sine x equal to 0. I can write like this. Sine 3x equal to 0. We learned about this in first result. General solution for sine x equal to 0 is what? N pi. That means wherever you see sine x equal to 0, there you can write x equal to n pi. Here you observe this is also of the form sine x equal to 0 only. So what I can write? I can write x equal to n pi. But here in place of x, here 3x is there. So as sine 3x equal to 0, what I can write? I can write 3x equal to n pi. Okay. Sine x equal to 0. Sine x equal to 0 means x equal to n pi. General solution for sine x equal to 0. Right. So directly I'll write x equal to n pi. Actually I am trying for x. Here 3x is there. So you take 3 to the right hand side part, then you will get x equal to, what you got? X equal to n pi by 3 or x equal to n pi. So x equal to n pi by 3 or x equal to n pi is the general solution for given trigonometric equation. In this general solution, what is n? N is an integer. N is an integer. Therefore, general solution of given trigonometric equation is n pi by 3 or n pi. I hope you understand this. You observe what they are asking in the question. Find the general solution for each of the following equations. Here, one trigonometric equation is given. We need to find general solution of this trigonometric equation. Here, what I'll do, first, you don't try for proving LHS equal to RHS. While solving the solution of equation, we will use complete equation. Okay. First, I'll take complete given equation. Cos 3x plus cos x minus cos 2x equal to 0. This is the given trigonometric equation. What I'll do for this part, I'll use cos C plus cos D formula. Do you know what is the formula for cos C plus cos D? The formula for cos C plus cos D is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D divided by 2. So here what you will get? The formula is 2 cos C plus D by 2. C plus D. C is 3x, D is x. C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D divided by 2. That is 3x minus x divided by 2 minus cos 2x equal to 0. Okay. Now further if I simplify this, what I'll do? I'll take this 2 to the right hand side part. If I simplify this, what I'll get? 2 into cos of, look here, 3x plus x, that is 4x. 4x divided by 2 is 2x. 2x into cos of 3x minus x. 3x minus x is 2x. 2x divided by 2 is x minus cos 2x equal to 0. You can observe cos 2x I can take common. Take cos 2x common. If you take cos 2x common, what you will get? You will get 2 cos x minus 1 equal to 0. Here product of two things is there. This is 1 and this is another. Product of two terms are 0 means either any one must be 0. Okay, so what I can write from this? Cos 2x equal to 0 or 2 cos x minus 1 equal to 0. Cos 2x equal to 0. We know that from the general solutions, we know that cos x equal to 0 means x is odd multiple of pi by 2. 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. You observe this is of this form only, but in place of x here 2x is there. So what I can write? I can write that 2x equal to odd multiple of pi by 2. 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. From this what is x? X is 2n plus 1 into pi by 4. Okay. Now here you observe what I got here, 2 cos x minus 1 equal to 0. Now from this I can write 2 cos x equal to 1. What is cos x from this? Cos x equal to 1 by 2. So I'll write that cos x equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 can be written as cos 60 degrees. 60 degrees is pi by 3 radians, right? Cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2. You observe here pi by 3 lies in this interval. Close at 0, open 2 pi. Pi by 3 lies in this interval and satisfying this trigonometric equation means pi by 3 is the principal solution for this trigonometric equation. Pi by 3 is the principal solution for this trigonometric equation. So what is the general solution formula? You observe this is of the form cos x equal to k. We learned in fifth result. General solution for cos x equal to k is 2n pi plus or minus alpha, where alpha is the principal solution. So here general solution for cos x equal to k is what? Is 2n pi plus or minus alpha, where alpha is the principal solution. Here what is the principal solution? Pi by 3 is the principal solution. So x equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3. General solution for the equation sin 2x plus cos x equal to 0. We need to find general solution for this equation. You observe here, this is in terms of sine, this is in terms of cos. You cannot use something formula like sin c plus cos d. We don't have any such formula. Sin c plus cos d formula is not there. So what I'll do here, we know the formula for sin 2x. First I'll write the given equation. What is the given trigonometric equation? Sin 2x plus cos x equal to 0. Okay. Here what is the formula for sin 2x? The formula for sin 2x is 2 sin x into cos x. Okay. Right. In place of sin 2x, I'll write that formula. 2 sin x into cos x plus cos x equal to 0. You observe here cos x is there, here also cos x is there. So I can take cos x common. Okay. You take cos x common. If I take cos x common, what you will get? This side 2 sin x is there. 2 sin x plus 1 equal to 0. You take cos x common. 2 sin x plus 1 equal to 0. You observe product of two terms is 0 means either any one of them is 0. So what I can write here? I can write that cos x equal to 0 or 2 sin x plus 1 equal to 0. Right. Cos x equal to 0 or sin x equal to what from this? You take plus 1 to other side, it will become minus 1. From that we'll get that sin x equal to minus 1 by 2. Here what formulas we know? We know that general solution for cos x equal to 0 is odd multiple of pi by 2. That means whenever cos x equal to 0, we can write x as 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Here you observe cos x equal to 0 is there. When cos x equal to 0, we learn that general solution for cos x equal to 0 is 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. So what I can write here? I can write that x equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Okay. Or here you observe this is of the form general solution for sin x equal to k. What is the general solution for sin x equal to k? General solution for sin x equal to k is n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha. In this, alpha is the principal solution. So to write the general solution for sin x equal to k, we need principal solution. Here sin x is negative. Sin x is negative in which quadrant? Sin x is negative in third quadrant as well as in fourth quadrant. So here you need to find that. So here what I'll write, I'll write it as sin of third quadrant sin is negative. Third quadrant means pi plus theta. Pi plus theta. Here theta I'll choose in such a way that sin theta is 1 by 2. So here Sine 30 degrees is 1 by 2 na. I'll write pi plus pi by 6. Sine pi by 6 is 1 by 2. That's why I written like this. See, pi plus theta lies in third quadrant. In third quadrant, sine is negative. That's why this minus 1 by 2 can be written like this. If you want, you just calculate this. As pi is there, sine remains sine only. This is sine pi by 6, right? Pi plus theta lies in third quadrant. Third quadrant, sine is negative. So this is minus sine pi by 6. Minus pi by 6 means 30 degrees. Sine 30 degrees value is 1 by 2. I hope you are understanding. Here, you will get principal solution. You simplify this. What you will get? Sine 7 pi divided by 6. So, I got the principal solution for this equation. What is the principal solution? 7 pi divided by 6. So, this is in the form of sin x equal to k na. What is the general solution? General solution is x equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha. Alpha is the principal solution. What is principal solution here? Principal solution is 7 pi by 6. In these formulas, what is n? N is an integer. So, general solution for given trigonometric equation is 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 or x equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into 7 pi by 6. I hope you understand this solution. Observe this question. Find the general solution for each of the following. Find the general solution of this equation. They are asking to find general solution of this equation. First, I'll take complete given equation. What is the given equation? Secant square 2x equal to 1 minus tan 2x. Okay. Here, secant square x can be written as 1 plus tan square x. So, secant square 2x can be written as 1 plus tan square 2x, that equal to 1 minus tan 2x. Now, you observe this plus 1 will get cancelled. Now, here minus tan 2x is there. Na? You take it to the left hand side part. Then what you will get? You will get like this. Tan square 2x plus tan 2x equal to 0. You can take tan 2x common. Take tan 2x common. If you take tan 2x common, what you will get? You will get that tan 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Here product of two things is 0. Either this is 0 or this is 0. That means what I can write here? I can write that tan 2x equal to 0 or tan 2x equal to minus 1. Here this part is okay. We can write it very easily. When it comes to this I need to find principal solution for this equation. Here tan x equal to minus 1. Actually tan x is negative they given. As tan x is negative in which quadrant? Second quadrant. In second quadrant means pi minus theta. Pi minus theta lies in second quadrant. Tan pi minus pi by 4. You can check tan of pi minus pi by 4 is 100% minus 1 only. While discussing principal solution, we already discussed all these things. We already learned these things. Okay. So here what you will get? Pi minus pi by 4 is what? Pi minus pi by 4 is 3 pi by 4. So now general solution for tan x equal to 0. You learned that general solution for tan x equal to 0 is n pi. Whenever tan x equal to 0, then I can write x equal to n pi. This is the first result we learn in this chapter, right? So here in place of x, here 2x is there. So what I'll write? I'll write that 2x equal to n pi. From this what is x? X equal to n pi by 2. Or now you observe this is of the form tan x equal to k na. Here principal solution also we got for this equation. Principal solution is 3 pi by 4. So general solution for tan x equal to k is what? General solution for tan x equal to k is n pi plus alpha. Here x equal to, I'll write here, if tan x equal to k, then general solution is x equal to n pi plus alpha. Here in place of x, here what is there? 2x is there. So what you will get? You will get 2x equal to n pi plus alpha. What is alpha? Alpha is the principal solution. 3 pi by 4. N pi plus 3 pi by 4. From this what is x? Divide this complete equation with 2. What you will get? X equal to n pi by 2 plus 3 pi by 8. So what is the general solution for given trigonometric equations? N pi by 2 or n pi by 2 plus 3 pi by 8. Here what is n? N is an integer. I hope you understand general solution of given trigonometric equation. Find the general solution for given trigonometric equation. You observe here sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x equal to 0. First I'll consider complete given equation. Sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x equal to 0. by seeing this equation, easily you will get an idea that sin C plus sin D formula. To do the solution for this problem, you apply sin C plus sin D formula for these two things. This is C, this is D. So I'll rearrange the terms as plus is there. Sin x plus, here I'll write sin 5x plus sin 3x equal to 0. Look here, sin C plus sin D. What is the formula for sin C plus sin D? The formula is 2 sin C plus D by 2, that is x plus 5x by 2 into cos C minus D by 2, x minus 5x divided by 2 plus sin 3x equal to 0. Now 2 into sin x plus 5x, x plus 5x is 6x, 6x by 2 is what? 6x by 2 is 3x into cos of, look here, x minus 5x is minus 4x divided by 2, that is minus 2x. We know cos of minus theta is cos theta. So cos of minus 2x is what? Cos of minus 2x is cos 2x. So here what you will get, cos 2x plus sin 3x equal to 0. Now you can observe here sin 3x is there, here sin 3x is there. I can take sin 3x common. You take sin 3x common. Then what you will get? 2 into cos of 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Here product of two things are there. This is 1 and this is another. Product of two things are 0 means any one of them will be 0. So what I can write here? I can write that sin 3x equal to 0 or 2 cos 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Here I'll write again sin 3x equal to 0, or from this what is cos 2x? Cos 2x is minus 1 by 2. Now here I need to find principal solution for this trigonometric equation cos x equal to k. So here you observe cos x is given negative. Cos x is negative in which quadrant? Second quadrant as well as in third quadrant. Second quadrant means pi minus theta. You can check easily. Cos pi minus pi by 3. Pi by 3 is 60 degrees. You see here, this is of the form cos of pi minus theta. Cos of pi minus theta is minus cos theta, that is minus cos 6 degrees is 1 by 2 only. It can be understood easily as we are in the last problem of this trigonometry. So if you simple, what I will get here, cos of pi minus pi by 3 is what? Pi minus pi by 3 is 2 pi by 3. Okay, you observe this one. This is of the form sin x equal to 0. We learned that general solution for sin x equal to 0 is what? General solution for sin x equal to 0 is n pi. So I'll apply this formula to this. Here in place of x, here 3x is there. So what I'll get here? I'll get 3x equal to n pi, or here this is of the form cos x equal to k. What is the general solution for cos x equal to k? If cos x equal to k, x equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. So here what I can write? 2x equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. What is alpha? Alpha is 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3. So what is x? X equal to n pi by 3 or x equal to n pi plus pi by 3. Here n is an integer. So what is the general solution for given trigonometric equation? N pi by 3 or n pi plus pi by 3, where n is an integer. I hope you understand the solutions of this trigonometric equation. The key for learning trigonometry chapter is learning trigonometry formulas.